Bolobol Nairere Iriongetiloa Uganda Secondary Schools Sports Association Usa Nesi Aponi Tegiara era Saparasha Kaisari Aitodol Bian Akaisara Lukanyape Na Potuiso Mero Luko Laiteses Kasoroteses Ikarunoto Rigolon Eno Tikanu Eno Aparana biani timu nulu kesopoto lomasi nomi peniti konye amaka kesopoti shara kinoso isawe aitol tola na petani peni toni done todoleri peni ngunulolo laro na Aboliasio ko Soroti edolo luo peni soroteses ngesobu tuang laiteses goloni wongono kanu yari aina kindo kesi gokorete Eikopo lo Soroti district.
With this reshuffle, we shall have better results. The talent of Celso is dying because of the committee. The committee have personal benefits for their own personal teams.
About the game that has just ended for girls.
The game that has ended for girls was a fair game. So the girls went up to semi-finals, up to finals. The game was okay. So we need just encouraging the team to participate more harder.
Koya la pesuruda esomero loli la high school ngesapola yalama ido bakasi kesebe ayangana sikesi Eikopo lo Soroti ya bongobong iruana tomonado patu peta mame ibobo eche team lo buigali kiningarnekes.
We have been winning both at the district and at the region. But the only time we missed this trophy, the district trophy, was in 2019 when our allied parents surprised us with 1 goal. But we have been champions from 2012 up to date, right from the district and at the region.
A game law, we were determined for this game. Anuna Raina Nakinet, Urasa Nakin, Papa, head teacher, Okira Martin Obore, Papa Nakinet, Naitwara Songesi, Elosai Engun. Do Yalama Sobe, Akosa Irujasit, Etodolikini Lolo.
Bola na Jai, Fati via officiation Mamara affair, or side all light. Fati, Mubeji, Umpilabo all light, or Dumuchuti within the first half, Konye, Abuelans, but of Giram Piramon, Konye, Arachutem Piran Alomar to take Jokejo.
I congratulate you, my footballers, because you have rooted history. Sometimes it's difficult to enter a field. People howl insults, people abuse you. But I want to thank these people that even during the abuses, they had a resilience. They were strong. I thank you, my school, because you have given me honor. I will now walk with pride away.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Ramu, Koibuga, Soroti.
Kylian Mbappé nel, Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi,